I'm just getting ready to head out for a hunt and just wanted to show what I've done to make more room on the side by side so I don't have to take the truck. It's better to take the side by side. Got quite a bit of rain here, so we just built out a square tubing a rack to put the layout blind on. Works pretty good. It's not, I don't have any boards or anything in there yet, but probably come ice fishing time I'll put some boards on it. And then that gives me room to put my full bodies underneath. So I got a dozen full bodies here and then just over half dozen shells, Canada Goose shells. I just put my bags and my ammo case there, and then that's pretty much it for the back. For lighting, I run, the wire's not ran yet, it just kind of put in there for now. I just got this together a couple weeks ago and haven't really gotten time to run everything correctly, so the wire's just dangling here. But eventually I'll put the stereo bezel that goes up there, and that'll have the two switches for the front light bar. The front's a 52-inch curved light bar. They're super bright at night. And then the rear's a 50 curved. And I bought the brackets that they bolt onto here, and they're supposed to go to a 50 curved light bar, but I didn't like how they fit. You had to kind of bend the brackets, so I ended up just making, I just took a piece of flat bar on these. There's for the door hinge here, there's two bolts, whether you have the door or not, and then flat bar just to the original 50-inch or 50-inch light bar, the curved one. And then inside I got just a metal plate that I built, just regular Colpin gun mounts. Then the shotgun just sits on the floor and you just put it in there. When you build this, if you have a Can-Am Defender, you have to space the bottom bolt out to make it more even. You could put them on an angle. I don't think it would affect it too much, but it would just not be as straight. It might not hold the gun as good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just got her all set up and about to go hunting. A bit less than ideal today. I came out here. I'm not sure if you'll see those, but there's birds out here already. Some there and some over there. But I know that is what it is. I got the spread all set up. Got pretty much no wind, so should be good. There's birds coming, so I'm gonna hop in the blind and get ready to go, because should be getting some here right away. Take him. Should have brought the mojo. Get ready. Take him. I don't know if you got that one or if I did.
I don't know.
Suppose we could watch the camera. One out of that was
I shot 3 shots. I didn't need
I shot 3 too. Okay, I'm gonna go be a labradoodle. We're just getting cleaned up here. Got 5 birds, 2 Canadas and 3 mallards, 1 Susie and 2 drakes. Wasn't the best hunt, but it might have been partly our shooting, so